If you're experiencing lagging problems while you're playing games after the iOS 26 update, so in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, after a major iOS update, your iPhone runs background indexing and syncing, which can temporarily slow down the gaming performance on your iPhone. Now, this usually takes a couple of days for the performance to stabilize, but if you're experiencing these problems even after a few weeks after the update, now to fix this issue, first of all, just perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now, after your iPhone finishes restarting, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings, then tap on Battery. From here, just tap on Power Mode. Now, if Low Power Mode is enabled on your iPhone, just turn it off. Because when this option is enabled, your iPhone will prioritize the battery life over the performance of your iPhone. So just turn off Low Power Mode on your iPhone. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon in your App Store. Then just scroll down. Then check if you have any update available for the apps and games on your iPhone or not. Because the apps and games might not be optimized for the new version of iOS yet. So you will receive a software update for the apps on your App Store. Just update them all and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings. And in the main settings page, just tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage and check if you have enough storage on your iPhone or not. Because if your iPhone is low on storage, you'll experience lag problems in the software of your iPhone. So make sure you have enough storage for the apps and games to work properly. For that, you can delete any apps which you don't longer use, or you can upload all your data to your iCloud and you can delete them from your iPhone to free up some storage. Now, after you've done that, then just go back. And under the general settings, just tap on Background App Refresh. Now from here, just disable the toggle for the apps which you don't want to refresh in the background. Just enable the toggle for the important apps on your iPhone, like the messaging apps. Now after you've done that, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings. Now from here, just tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. Because the software update might have contained a software glitch, which will be fixed through a software update. Just wait for a few days or a few weeks, then Apple will enroll a software update which will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the lagging problem while playing games after the iOS 26 update on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.